How to remove all friends on Roblox at once. Firstly, on your laptop or on your phone, open Roblox app. You can even use the Roblox website. After you are here, you need to click on the three-line icon at the top left corner. After that, head over to your profile. In your profile, you will see the number of connections that you have. Here, connection means friends. Again, go to the left panel and select Connect. This is where you will see all your friends. Click on the friend's profile you would like to remove. Select the friend's profile and open it. On the right section next to chat, you should see the option Remove Connection. Now you can do this one by one, but there's also a way from which you can remove multiple accounts at once. To do that, you will need a browser extension. Open a new tab and type in Google Web Store. Click on the first link that appears. Now go to the search bar on the top. You need to type in Roblox Friend Remover. Now click on the first option that appears. After that, you will see the extension. Simply click on Add to Brave or Add to Chrome according to your browser. Once it is added, as you can see in the picture below, you can select multiple friends at once and remove them. That's all for today. Thank you.